Mag-harvest tayo ng tomato harvest. Yes, look at this tomato. Ang daming hinog ng tomato. Look at this. Wow, there's a lot of tomatoes. Ripe tomato. It's a harvesting time. Ow, mama. Diba? Ang daming bunga ng tomato ko. Look at guys. That's tomato. Ang daming bunga. We turn around. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, ang dami dito. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, a lot of ripe tomatoes now. Hindi na makikita. Oh, look at those. Oh, super ripe na. Oh my God. Saan na ba yun? Nagtago. Oh, look at that. Tomato. Harvesting time. My tomatoes. Oh my God. Look at this. So ripe na. Daming tomato. Ibibigay namin ito sa mga kakilala namin. Daming tomato sa ilalim. Oh my God. Look at those inside. Oh, MG. Wow, look at that. A lot of tomato hiding inside. My talong is so maliit. Ouch. Hindi lumaki. Yung talong ko namamatay. Bakit kaya? My strawberry. And namatay ang sili ko. Oh, what happened of this? I think I'm gonna take this one. Oh, malalaki na ang bunga. Oh, I'm going to harvest this. Malaki na. Para hindi ito oh, look at this. Yeah, I'm going to harvest this. Ang talong saka na. Okay guys, I'm going to continue harvest my tomatoes. Bye-bye. Oh my God. Look at the other garden. Garden. More gardens. I see Bob strawberry. Oh, malapit na mag ano na, strawberry. Okay guys, bye bye.